In the heart of Uttar Pradesh, where the Madhya Ganga barrage has sculpted a landscape of immense beauty and biodiversity, the teachings of Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar breathe life into the land and its communities. Gurudev's philosophy promotes harmony between humanity and nature, inspiring his followers to restore and cherish the environment. This vision is the cornerstone of conservation efforts at the Haidarpur wetlands.
Yoga, meditation, art of living, this all leads us to find our inner peace and happiness, and which automatically results in us nurturing, taking responsibility for our environment and nurturing it.
The Haidarpur wetlands were born from the construction of the Madhya Ganga barrage in 1984. Today, they support a rich tapestry of life, hosting over 332 bird species, including 102 water birds, and providing a refuge for 15 globally threatened species like the critically endangered gharial and Indian skimmer.
Haidarpur wetland is a riverine-fed wetland, one of the largest wetland in Uttar Pradesh, spread over 6,900 hectares. And now it is a Ramsar site as well. We have a checklist of 332 species of birds, and almost 200 migratory birds species come here. And there are some very unique species of birds that are found here, which are not present elsewhere in the country. I think the habitat here is very supportive of migratory birds.
Ashish Loya, guided by the principles of the art of living, has been instrumental in these efforts. His leadership has not only revitalized the land, but also the local community, fostering an environment where ecotourism and sustainable practices thrive.
The wetland is managed by the Uttar Pradesh State Forest Department. Many national and international NGOs operating in conservation of wildlife in India have been involved in this wetland. NGOs formed by Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar ji, one is the Art of Living Social Projects, is also getting involved in conservation efforts and empowering of the local community.
This project is a shining example of what can be achieved when local communities unite with global partners.
वेटलैंड के बारे में भैया ने हमें बताया कि वेटलैंड के कई फायदे हैं। ये जो गंगा नदी में जब पानी ज़्यादा होता है तो आसपास के क्षेत्र में बाढ़ आने की संभावना होती है। तो अगर वेटलैंड होते हैं तो ये पानी को अपने अंदर ऑब्जर्व कर लेते हैं और विभिन्न प्रकार के जीव जंतुओं का घर भी है।
यहाँ पर बर्ड वॉचिंग के बारे में किसी को कुछ नहीं पता था, लेकिन जब से हैदरपुर वेटलैंड बना है, यहाँ के युवाओं में एक अलग ही पैशन जागा है।
हम बर्डिंग के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं जानते थे, अब हमें बहुत जानकारी मिली है। यहाँ पर हमारे गांव की लड़कियाँ सब वेटलैंड में बर्डिंग करते हैं आके।
जो बर्ड्स, ट्री बर्ड्स होते हैं या वाटर बर्ड्स हैं, उनकी आईडी करते थे बाइनोक से, उनको जूम करके देखते हैं, उनके फीचर नोट करते हैं कि वो कैसे दिख रहे हैं, किस कलर के हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था उन्हें देख के।
The wetlands now serve as a breeding ground for many near-threatened species like the Indian grass bird. It is also a sanctuary for the northern swamp deer, illustrating the power of collective action. Under the spiritual guidance of Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar and the diligent work of his disciples, Haidarpur wetlands have become a beacon of ecological and spiritual renewal. This sanctuary not only supports a diverse range of species, but also embodies the art of living's commitment to a healthier planet.